Okay, this is the tutorial for Phantom in the Field. I'm going to go slow first, and then I'll play the whole thing at tempo. Okay, but at tempo is just really whatever you feel comfortable playing at. It's a solo, so you play it at your desired tempo, right? Okay, so this first visual is rata, right? I'm going to do a full flip, left stick all the way to the right hand. Boom. I'd rather catch it over here. Okay. So three left, right. The left hand's back stick because you catch it from the right. Flip the left hand over, and you got 3 counts of triplets with the left, and you're gonna do a sup dad, or whatever right visual you want to do. I do a sup dad, which is this: forward flip, backward flip, all at once. Better than that, right? Like that. So. And that's going to happen, okay? So, because it's the first time I tried it. That's better. Much better. Okay, so that's the beginning. 7-stroke roll. When you end, pop the left hand up. On the rim shot, on count 2, you do a suicide. Or, like we like to say, a trust fall. And that's an extreme retard. Actually, you probably should have wrote that as an 8th note triplet instead of 16-note triplet. That's the way Marty played it. So that's what I'm going by. All right, the next part, you just watch the dynamics here, and at the very end, you can do whatever right on that 1 and 2 and 3, or 1 and 2 and 3 and 1, 1 and 2 and 3 and 1. I just do 1 and 2. I do a pancake up here, and on the last note, a fake flam. Okay, so that section is like this. Something like that, okay? Good. Next section, the 6/8 section, just watch where the rebound strokes are. I'll play it slow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and at that point, we got to roll, start soft, crescendo, and retard. So when we get up to tempo, that thing goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, like that. And then we're going to slow, and then go into the next section. So that next section, I'll take it right here, second page. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Cello rondo here. 1, 2, 3. Paradiddle Flam. Now fakes. 1 iena, 2 iena, 3 iena, 4 iena. Throw some cheese on it. 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that's a retard. You put some cheese on those flams, the last 4 flam paradiddles. And then when you hit the buzz, start thinking 6 tuplets. And then you go into an open roll on the 4/4. Hand speed stays the same from the 6 tuplets to the 16th notes or 32nd notes, okay? So the hand speed stays the same. But let me take it from 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, and 2, and 3, 4, right down. Okay, and then you're into that paradiddle section, right? Okay, the paradiddle section, you just have to work that out. I'm sorry, there's no secret to that. You're just going to have to take it measure by measure and work it out. That's definitely the hardest 2 lines of the solo, in my opinion. It was for me. All right, so that goes like this. I'll play it slow. Ready, and paradiddle, 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 paradiddle. Okay, we'll play it faster later. The next part is just pad flop flops and inverts slowly. 2, ready, and play, and messed up one of the French rolls. But that's the gist of it. Get real soft on those French rolls or 3-stroke rolls, and then crescendo. But that's it. All right, and then just slowly pick that up. Once again, I'd take that section slow, bump up the metronome little by little as you get it. All right, the next part is the stick flips, the visuals. You're going to do a left half flip. At the beginning, you did a full flip, right? Full flip. Here we're going to do a half flip, so it's easier. This is easier. You're going 1, okay, and then 2. If you have a hi-hat, you can hit it. So 1, that's 1, and then 2 and 3 and 4 and is a half flip, and then starting on count on the second measure, you want to do that half flip on the end of 1 and. If you do it on 1, you're not going to be able to play the end of 1 in time because you're going to have to stop to catch a stick. And then 2 and 3 and 4, half flip back to the regular grip or beat in the front on 4. All right, and then you do that again. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and. But the last bar, you just have right, left, right, right, right. And while you're doing right, 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 you do a left flip in the left hand. Try not to hit the wall. Right, right, right. Okay, right, right, right. And then a left flam, and then a flam 5. What's funny is that flam 5 wasn't in the original. Marty had a copyist do this for him, and they put the grace note in there, but it wasn't in the original. It was just a 5-stroke roll. But he liked it, so he left it. Just a little history, right? Right. So he left that there. Okay. So the next part, we got some, Swiss Army triplets, a whole bunch of rudiments, right? Flam, paradiddle, flam, drag, multiple flams. So here's the next 2 lines. I'll take it slow. Ready and play. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Three, 4, 1. Okay, I went into the roll. I played a flat flam in there. Shoot me. Yuck. It's hard to play slow. But that's the gist of it. On those, try to keep the grace note hand down, and then everything's bounced. I'd practice doing that, just hand to hand like that. Okay, that's it. Now the next part, we got some stick clicks. All right, so butt over, and when it says butt shaft, it means the stick you're hitting with. So the first one is left butt, and then left shaft, and then you have right over left, shaft, butt, and then back down. So this is that measure. There's a fade. So act like you have 2 right accents, but you only hit the first one. Okay? So that measure again. Ready and play and. All right? And you have it again. Same thing again, but you have 2 fakes because you have a fake on the downbeat. So I'll play both those measures and getting into the roll into that next line. Ready and play and. Let me do it again. Sorry, I missed the downbeat. I faked the downbeat. I didn't mean to. Ready and play and. Dang it! Now I hit a stick click. Now I'm all baffled. Ready and play and. Three and 4 and 1. All right. Also, playing it slow, you just have to think more. I got lazy. All right. Next part. Next 2 measures. Some more stick clicks, and then you have one of these. Bop, bop, bop. Those 3 X's in a row. It's shaft, then butt. So just turn your left hand over like this, and turn your right hand under, and then they hit butts like that. So shaft, butt, shaft. And as you get faster, you get your hands closer together. All right. So here's that line. Ready and play and. was a little uneven. But you can do a pancake twirl on those left hands. All right? So that's that. Let's go on. The next part you start soft. So after that rim shot, then we start real soft on the edge and slow. So soft and slow, and we're going to accelerando and crescendo. So it starts like this. Triplet, triplet, and then you're into the next part. Okay, so you can start really slow and then speed it up as fast as you can. All right, the next part is a bunch of Rudiment cues, right? No big deal. No big deal. Just Rudiment cues. So I'll play that part. This looks like a Charlie Wilcoxon solo right here. Does, 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 does. 1, 2, 3, play 2, 3. Okay, the biggest thing is that last part. When you get going fast, you can get lost in those triplets. So make sure you're counting. You got to count. Okay, Luke, I'm watching you. All right, you got to count. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. That was better. All right, and then that's going to be fast. So, well, depending on your speed. On your speed. All right, so the next part is just a bunch of 6 tuplets. And we're going to play those as fast as you can. It says 132, but this is just as fast as you can play it. All right, so it goes like this. I'll play it slow. Those 4 bars. 2, ready, and play, and. Okay, and a fermata. All right. Then we have some rolls. Now don't let the second measure freak you out. It's just really, it's 9 over, instead of 8, it's 9. So you have one more 16th note. So if you had 8 16th notes, 1 eana, 2 eana, now we're just going to add 1. 1 eana, 2 eana, 5, 1. So 1, 2, think of it as triplets. Ba, 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 ba. But now put a triplet inside the triplet. Bagada, 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 ba. That's 9 notes. Bagada, bagada, bagada. That's 9 notes. The bop on the end is 10. Bagada, bagada, bagada. But now, bagada, bagada, bagada. Like that. You hand to hand. Bagada, bagada, bagada. Now double all the ghost notes. Okay. So we're going to start with you're going to start soft. I'll play the skeleton once for the next 2 lines. 3 lines or so. Okay. Here's the skeleton with no rolls. 2, ready, and play, and 1 E, and a 2 E, and a 1, 2, and a 2 E, and a bucket, the 1 E, and a 2 E, bucket, the bucket, dig it, 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 the bucket, the bucket, the bucket. I'm not sure I counted that right. I might not have been counting. See, I got to count 2. Let's try that again. That's a challenge without the rolls. Ready, and play, and 1 E, and a 2 E, and a bucket, the 1 E, and a 2 E. Bucket, the 1 E, and a dig it, the gacket, dig it, the dacket, dig it, the gacket, dig it, dacket, dig it, the gacket, dig it, the dacket, dig it, the gacket, 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 dig it, the pop. All right, so now with the rolls. Check it out. 1, 2, ready, and play, and. All right, I think I messed up on the second line, first measure. So let me try that again. It's hard playing this slow. It's hard playing slow. Okay, so let me try it again. 1, 2, ready, and play, and 1, 2, 1. Take it, take it, take it, okay, that was a little better. All right, And that's it. So now we get into the back sticking, the last 2 lines. I'll take it slow, just back stick. You can go straight over if you want or out. You know how Mark Riley was saying, it's more visual if you go straight over. It looks better, but this you can do a lot faster. This isn't that fast, so if you want to go straight over, that's cool. All right, bucket, really slow. Last 2 lines. 2, ready, and play, and. Okay, last 2 bars. Good going. Oh, there's a bop there. Again, and play and. Okay, that's the last 2 bars. Okay, got it? Okay, let me play the whole thing at tempo. Let me set this timer so it's scrolling on me. Scrolling on me. 3 minutes, I think. Okay, here we go. And here we go. Ooh, I played the wrong part. Okay, so that's it. Shame on me. I went to the wrong part in the 6 elbows. I went to the back sticking section. But you'll do better than that, right? Okay, so I had it scrolling and it wasn't scrolling quite fast enough. But that's it. That's Phantom of the Phield. Okay, see you Monday. Good luck.